Okay, for this video, we will make introduction how to run a program by the controller. Firstly, we will use two spindle to the production, and next one use number one spindle, the left one spindle to the production, and then we use the second number two spindle to the production. Okay, now we will copy the program to the controller. Okay, you can check here. With the USB, we can insert the USB here, okay, and then we will import the program from the USB memory to the controller, okay. Yeah, here is the USB memory. We find our program, yeah, and select and press send, then the program will come here, yeah, will come here. Okay, now we can check the program already come to the controller. Now we can use use the edit to check the program. Okay, firstly this one. Yeah, we can check here. Okay, we can check the program briefly. Okay, the first one we will use two spindles. So for the two spindle working, we use tool changing M code is M6, and for the tool number use 201. Okay, come up. Okay, so we find the second single cutter working. Okay, here. So for this one we use number one spindle working. So we can check. We can see the tool changing code. Use M16. Okay, for this production we use T2. Okay, next one. For next production we use number two spindle. Okay, you can check here. For the tool changing M code we use M26, or also use T2 cutter. Okay, so next one we will make the tool measurement and set up the tool length for each tool. Okay. Okay. Now we will set up the tool length. Okay. Okay. Press this button, and it will show the, and also this one, it will show the tool length setup page. Okay. For the tool one, T1, T2. Okay. We need to make a tool calibration by the hand wheel. And then we can get the tool length. For the tool length, we can input here for the Z axis, T1 and T2. Okay. Also, for the number two spindle, we also need to set up the tool length. The tool number is T11, T11, and T12. Okay. Okay, we input the correct tool length by the keyboard and press the enter button. Okay, now change. Now we set up the T2 by the same way. Okay, next we will set up the tool 11 and tool 12. Yeah, for this, tool 11 and tool 12 is for the number two spindle. Okay, for the right spindle working. Okay. Okay, after finish the tool length setup, now we will set up the workpiece reference place. Okay, now we will go back here. We can find the G54. Now we will set up the Z-axis as per the woodboard thickness. Okay. Since now we just make a showing, we will free loading production. We can just set up a number frame. Okay, for safety place review. Okay. Okay. Should be not manual, should be class. Okay. Okay. We still set up 80. Okay. After we set up this number, then we will change into auto version and press second start. It will be to the production. Surely we need to install the correct cutter onto the changing holder disk at the correct number. Okay, we can check here. So we need to load the cutter correctly by the number. Okay. After we load the cutter, then we do the program production. Okay, now we will turn on the vacuum pump and also the table suction switch, and then we will load the wood workpiece. Okay, now we will start the vacuum pump and we will load the wood. Okay. Yeah. After we load the wood on the table and find the correct place, and then we turn on the suction switch. Yeah. Okay. Now we will do the auto production. Yeah. Okay. Now the machine will do the production. The first cycle is two spindles working together. Okay, and next cycle is for the number one spindle production. Okay, the third cycle is for the number two spindle production. Now the program is finished.